Which Indian sports person is known as the Master Blaster? The correct answer is option A, Sachin Tendulkar. Question number 2. Which river is considered the holiest in India? The correct answer is option C, Ganga river. Question number 3. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? The correct answer is option A, mercury. Question number 4. Which blood group is known as the universal donor? The correct answer is option D, O negative. Question number 5. What is the main source of energy for the earth? The correct answer is option C, the sun. Question number 6. Which gas is essential for human respiration? The correct answer is option B, oxygen. Question number 7. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the USA? The correct answer is option C, France. Question number 8. What is the hardest substance in the human body? The correct answer is option A, tooth enamel. Question number 9. Which vitamin is provided by sunlight? The correct answer is option B, vitamin D. Question number 10. What is the full form of UNO? The correct answer is option B, United Nations Organization. Question number 11. Which gas do plants absorb from the air? The correct answer is option A, carbon dioxide. Question number 12. Which is the largest animal in the world? The correct answer is option B, blue whale. Question number 13. What is the national flower of India? The correct answer is option C, lotus. Question number 14. What is the smallest continent in the world? The correct answer is option A, Australia. Question number 15. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? The correct answer is option C, Japan. Question number 16. What is the chemical symbol for gold? The correct answer is option B, AU. Question number 17. Who was the first woman to fly in space? The correct answer is option A, Valentina Tereshkova. Question number 18. Which Indian city is known as the City of Joy? The correct answer is option C, Kolkata. Question number 19. What is the national sport of the USA? The correct answer is option C, baseball. Question number 20. Which is the second largest country in the world by area? The correct answer is option B, Canada. Question number 21. Which city is known as the Big Apple? The correct answer is option A, New York City. Question number 22. Which chemical element has the atomic number 1? The correct answer is option A, hydrogen. Question number 23. Who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize? The correct answer is option B, Marie Curie. Question number 24. What is the tallest building in the world? The correct answer is option C, Burj Khalifa. Question number 25. Which country is known as the Pearl of the Indian Ocean? The correct answer is option A, Sri Lanka. Question number 26. What is the longest wall in the world? The correct answer is option A, Great Wall of China. Question number 27. Which planet is the hottest in the solar system? The correct answer is option D, Venus. Question number 28. Who is the author of the Harry Potter series? The correct answer is option B, J.K. Rowling. Question number 29. What is the national animal of the United States? The correct answer is option C, bald eagle. Question number 30. Which country is home to the Great Barrier Reef? The correct answer is option A, Australia.